Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at the Social Squared moderation feature. So inside the Social Squared web part, what we can do is go into the settings. So by clicking onto the forum settings cog icon on the left hand side of the web part, you can see here we've got three different forum groups, and the top forum group is called SharePoint. And what I'm going to do is click onto the view forums, and inside there you can see that there's two forums inside that forum group, obviously also reflected in the web part there as well. So under the SharePoint permissions forum, if we click onto edit, you can see for this particular forum I've got two possible people as moderators. So we can go through and start typing using the people picker who those moderators are going to be, and we can add more moderators if we so choose. So we basically have those two people as moderators, and by adding moderators, this is how we basically enable moderation. If there are no moderators, then moderation will not be enabled for that particular forum, and posts will appear immediately as users create a post. So the advantage of having moderation is you get to approve or decline a post as it's created, and that can be a new topic or also a reply to a topic as well. So by no means do you have to use it on every single forum. You can enable it on those forums that require moderation. So those two moderators have been set up. So what I'm going to do is go through and add a new topic. So we'll create a new topic in here, and we'll have the subject of this post requires moderation. And in the message, we can obviously type a message. So we'll have blah, blah, blah in here, and obviously apply all the formatting that we want to, and so on. And then we can click into add, which will create that post. And as you can see, that post has not appeared yet inside the forum. So we had the original one there, which is about permission tools, but there hasn't been another post inside that forum just yet. So what I'm going to do is switch to another window, and in this window I'm logged in as demo user 1, who is marked as one of the moderators, and let's just refresh the page. Okay, so we've refreshed the page, and we can see in here that there's a piece of red text at the top of the web part to indicate to me that there are topics or posts awaiting moderation. So if I was to go into the SharePoint permissions forum, the moderator can see that post that requires moderation, but nobody else can. It's just there for the moderator. Now, on the left-hand side of the web part is a moderation icon. So we can click onto that moderation icon, and that will show any posts that do require moderation. And obviously there's this one that clearly says this post requires moderation, which was the subject of the post, don't forget. And next to it is a small icon, which is indicating that that is a topic. Whenever you see anything in here that may be a reply to a topic or a reply to a reply that won't have the icon, that's a good indication that it's a reply and not actually a brand new topic. So in this case, it is a topic. We've got the approve delete action over on the right hand side. I can navigate into the post if I want to read it before approving it. So there we go. We can see yet blah 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 is very relevant, and we've got the ability to click onto the icon to approve it. Also notice that there is nothing else I can do at this stage to the post other than to delete it. So if it was maybe something offensive or not relevant or anything like that, we could just decide that we're going to delete this topic at this point, and it wouldn't get posted inside a Social Squared. However, once I have approved it, once I do set the approval, we then start to get all of the other features. So I can rate it, I can like it, I can reply to it, I can subscribe, show answers, show features, change the threaded view, and so on. And basically that has been approved for everybody to now see for those users who have access to this forum. So back as the other user who created the post, if I just simply refresh my screen, you can now see for that particular forum, so we're in the SharePoint permissions forum group, and now we can see that post has been created and the red text has gone away. So everybody can now see this and they can begin to respond to it and so on. Okay, so that's the moderation, and Of course, if you have any questions about it, then please drop us an email on support@lightningtools.com. Many thanks.